Hi guys, this is Diane Hogarth here, Millionaire Mom, with the Beginner's Guide to the Builderall Chatbot. So I'm inside Builderall itself, and the apps, all the little apps are in the apps. There are quite a few, but today we're concentrating on the Facebook chatbot. Okay. So let me see 1 second. So if you click on Facebook chatbot, I'll just like you to show you how to import a new Facebook page. Obviously you've added Facebook to you, but I've only got ones that I've added, but you will have a list there of 1 or 2 pages that you've business pages that you've made, but you can with Builderall have unlimited pages and unlimited subscribers, whereas with the paid ones I think you have to pay more and more and more the bigger you grow. I've just here's one I made earlier. I've actually done you a post on Millionaire Mom, but before I just tell you that, if you go in settings just to check that you are subscribed to your chatbot, if you click in Messenger platform, you will see the Builderall Octopus and auto answer is there. So that's just to check that it's actually working. Okay, so now I've just done you, whoops a daisy, I've just done a new post in here. So I would like now to show you how to do a post to answer. So you find the post that you want to answer, then you click use condition. So if it consists of the word brand yourself, let me just show you the post. This is the post. Hands up, who wants to know how to brand yourself on Facebook? Because if you brand yourself properly, people will come to you and for advice and help, and they see you as a leader. Okay, so I had somebody spamming me with, do you want to use Skype with me? You can earn $1,000 by having half an hour on Skype, and I'm going, but I don't even use Skype. I prefer this. And then I spammy message back. So you can't be pushy and not spammy, but if you brand yourself and you give value, and you don't push your ideas onto people, that's how you get banned. You attract people to you with attraction marketing, because I'm attraction marketing queen. This is how you do it. Okay, so it's hands up with a little smiley and a few smileys and a picture. Okay, so you go, thanks for the comment. If you'd like your copy of the Brand Yourself on ebook on Facebook ebook, click here. And here's one I made earlier. I use Rebrandly. Hang on, you can get any link you like. Press new link. Click the destination URL. Let me move myself out of the way. And then you can name it, because I've bought dianehogarth.com, and then you can put whatever you like so you'll know which link it is. So I've done a brand yourself on Facebook PDF, and there you go. So I've only just done it, so there's no clicks. So, okay. So use condition, yes, consists of brand yourself, and you've got the actual PDF there. You can do it on second level comments if you like, and then you just save it. So basically, next time somebody who is a person, not me, as a page, let's have a look. So then you can test it or ask a friend to test it. And if they get the message, you're good to go, guys. So that's the beginner's guide. The next time you see me, I'm going to be doing a flow. So you can give them an ebook, and then there's a series of 3, 4, or 5 questions, and then you can talk to them as though it's you. So this is step one of Facebook chatbots. Step 2 to follow. See you next time, guys. Bye.